Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best vegetable steamers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best vegetable steamers. These methods are not similar in any way. The main difference is the fact that the boiling water does not come in contact with the food during steaming like it does with pressure cooking. Steaming is not only nutritious. Number 5. Aroma Houseware's Digital Rice Cooker. This digital multi-cooker and vegetable steamer makes it to the number 1 spot on this review. You can easily use it to make restaurant-quality food. It has a specialized function. Main features: easy to use, easy to clean, convenient and fast. Number 4. Oster 5712 Electronic 2-tier 6.1 quart. It making has used the North American safety standards. You can easily use it to make eggs by laying them on the egg holders that come with the food steamer. Main features: easy to use, perfect storage for small kitchens, user-friendly with an LCD timer. Number 3. Aroma Houseware's 6-cup pot style. This food steamer is great because it allows you to cook everything from oatmeal to meat and vegetables. You can cook those while making soft fluffy rice. Main features: fast and convenient. This food steamer is great while making soft fluffy rice. Number 2. Premium Vegetable Steamer Basket. It is expandable and collapsible. You will be able to easily clean it in your dishwasher. It is perfect for sterilizing baby items and making baby food too. Main features: dishwasher safe. Can be used to cook most foods. Easy to use. Number 1. MSC International Joie Vegetable Steamer. It steams dumplings, fish veggies and more to perfection. Health precaution is also taken care by the manufacturers. It has a silicone-coated stainless steel. Its design is adjustable. Main features: easy to use, adjustable design, stainless steel coating. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.